All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. At least it's good morning right here, right now. It is about 6:44 in the morning on a wonderful Friday in Yucaipa, California. And it's a little bit cold today. I'm wearing a sweater, which is new. This is the first time I've worn a sweater in a video. I know, not that exciting. Okay, hey, let's talk about exponents, multiplication and division with exponents. Got three big ideas. Basically putting together some stuff that we've already talked about and learned. So here are the things you need to remember. Base, base. When I multiply bases, I add the exponents. Base, base, add exponents. That's not new. Negative exponents. What are negative exponents? Negative exponents are tickets to ride the math elevator. They move our terms up or down. So negative exponents equals ticket to ride. Anybody know what song that's from? Or at least what band? She's got a ticket to ride. Well, she don't care. Okay. Okay. Ooh. That might come up on the next video. Okay, it's a Beatles song. Fractions, we're going to cancel top with bottom. All right, so those are the big ideas. Using those ideas, I think we can get some problems done here. Zoom in a little bit. There's our first one. Now, we have a couple of options on this. Do you see those tickets? There it is. If you want, you can use up the tickets right away and then cancel the top with the bottom. I'm going to do this problem two ways. So let's use up these tickets. So isn't this really q to the fourth over q to the fifth, q to the eighth? No, you can't even see what I'm doing. There it is. Do you see, I used the ticket right here to bring this q down, and I used this ticket to bring that q down. So what do I have now? I have q to the fourth over q to the, what's this, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, q to the 13th. And now I'll think about this. I have 4 on top, 13 on the bottom, which means I have 9 extra on the bottom, so this is 1 over q to the 9th. So that's one way to think of it. The other way is, what is it? Base, base, add, which is what I did right here. Base, base, add. I can just add these top exponents together. What's that? If I have a q to the negative 5 plus a 4, that gives me a q to the negative 1, plus a negative 8, that gives me a q to the negative 9. So if I add negative 5 plus 4 minus 8, that gives me negative 9. So I also have q to the negative 9, which is 1 over q to the 9. You can't see it once again. So two options there. Option 1 was to use up the tickets and then do the math. That was option 1. Option 2 was just to add all those exponents together. And I'm not sure how... I don't know what final answer would be the one we really like. It depends if you want negative exponents or not. So maybe that's the final answer, or maybe q to the negative 9 is the final answer. Got to look at the instructions for the problem. Oh, the instructions say use positive exponents. So this would be the answer. Positive exponents. All right, that was a good one. Let's look at another one. So two options. You can use up the tickets first, or you can add the exponents first. What do you want to do? Yeah, I forgot. You guys can't really talk to me. Okay. How about a negative 1 and a negative 41? Those are going to add together to become a g to the negative 42. A g to the 0, well, that's just a 1, so I can completely ignore that. and I have a g to the negative 16. Why am I writing q's? Okay, I know I just wrote q's. Let's use up these tickets. So the 16 is going to go to the top. And now we can simplify this down. I have 16 on top, 42 on the bottom. That means I have more on the bottom. How many more? We'll see. 42 minus 16. 42 minus 10 is 32. Minus 6 takes me to a 24. No, 26. There we go. 1 over g to the 26th. So this one, I added the exponents and then I used up the tickets. Or you could have used up the tickets and then added the exponents. It's your call, your choice. Do what you want to do. And our final one. This is a d times a d to the 0, so that's just a d, isn't it? And so a d to the negative 1, d to the negative 9, it's a d to the negative 10. Base, add those exponents. Let's take this guy up to the top. It's going to give me d times d to the 10th. It's going to be d to the 11th, which you cannot see. D to the 11th. All right. Hey, so what was our song that I just thought about? It was She's Got a Ticket to Ride by the Beatles. Let me see if I have that song. That might be my intro music for the next video. Okay, see you, bye.